Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are safe and sound. Today in this video we will discuss about had better in details along with meaning and forms. So let's get started. Number 1, meaning. We use had better to give strong advice or to tell people what to do, including ourselves. You'd better turn off the TV before your mother gets angry. It is 6 o'clock. I'd better go now before the traffic gets too bad. Had better may suggest a threat. It is not used in polite requests. Compare. Could you help me if you got time requests. You'd better help me. If you don't, there will be trouble or a threat. Had better refers to the immediate future. It is more urgent than should or ought. Compare. I really ought to go to see Asma one of these days. Well, you do better do soon. She is leaving for Islamabad at the end of this month. Note. That had better does not usually suggest that the action recommended would be better than another one that is being considered. There is no idea of comparison. The structure means it would be good too, not it would be better too. Number 2, forms. Had better refers to the immediate future, but the form is always past. Have better is impossible. We normally shorten it to better. In informal situations, it is followed by the infinitive without to. It is late. You'd better go now, not you'd better to go now. In British English, better can come before had for emphasis. I promise I will come back within 20 minutes. You better had. We normally make the negative with had better, not plus infinitive. I'd better not leave my bag there. Someone might steal it. You'd better not tell Bushra Riaz about the broken glass. She will go crazy. A negative interrogative form, hadn't better. This means the same as should but is more formal. Hadn't we better tell her the truth? Had we better leave a note for the delivery guy to take the parcel next door? Normal, unemphatic, short answer forms are as follows. Shall I put my mobile away? You'd better. He says he won't tell anybody. She'd better not. Had is sometimes dropped in very informal speech. You better stop now. I better speak English. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.